Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix we can't enroll you in extended security updates error. First method is change service settings. Second method is remove access work or school account. Third method is verify your Microsoft account. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.